Okay, we are doing an organic modeling with high detailing, a dinosaur model. Okay.
Okay.
File. First, our first work is we need to create a project. Go to project window, new, Dino, or let's say T-Rex. Okay, it's done. So I have, sourced this particular image and the Maya T-Rex source images, side view reference. I'll save this. Okay. So anyhow, we should have front view also when we are going to do model. So let's do with side view only now. Okay.
Okay.
Now just space so that you can access side view. Okay. Okay. So you have to go to side view. New image plane, import image. So automatically it will go to the source images folder of the project. So I'm selecting this image and open. So now go to the channel box. This is the channel box. So width and height. I want to scale this. So I'm selecting here with middle mouse. Okay. Is it happening? No. Okay, I'm scaling it globally. You can move this over here. So I'll move this somewhere over here like this. After that, alpha gain 0.5 I will give so that, okay, 0.7 I'll give. So I want to see the wireframe as well as I want to see the grid and model. So that's the reason I'm giving like this. And I want to push this backside that is in Z axis, image center Z minus 50. Is it Z? So on X axis, sorry, it is X axis, image center X minus 50. Okay, it's not working out. Let me push this here manually over here. I think this is fine. Okay, alpha gain, let it be like this. It's okay. So after this, what I'll do, after this, just select this particular reference, and you have to go to channel box again. In the channel box, just check it over here. You have layers option help, right? Here, this last 4 icon, this one, the last one, you have to select this particular reference image and click on the last one so that V for visible, you can turn on, turn off, means this particular reference is kept inside the layer. And here, click once, T for template mode, click again one more time, R for reference mode. See, P for position actually means you can move. Okay. Now R means it is in reference mode. So in reference mode, I cannot select this. I cannot do anything, but it will be there. Okay. This will be as a reference only. So that when I'm creating any model and when I'm selecting a model, this will not select. But if it is not in reference mode, if you select like this, even this also will select. By mistake, this also will select. So I want this to be in reference mode. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you observe I place this reference model above the surface, above the grid. Okay, above the grid. Now let us analyze this. How this particular model is, from which particular model I can, which particular primitive, from which primitive I'm able to create this particular model. Okay, so if you observe this particular reference, a lot of detail is there. This entire model is having huge detail, but the model which we are going to do, it will be of a low polygon modeling, means this kind of detail won't be there. This type of detail we can achieve in ZBrush. There is another tool called, another modeling tool, another application called ZBrush. There we have to import the base mesh of the dinosaur, then we have to do the detailing. Okay, or else we
Yes,
can
sir.
achieve this kind of output in texturing. Okay, so let's create a model first. Now I'll focus from here to here. So this is something like, with a cylinder I can create. Okay, with a cylinder. So what I'll do, let me click on cylinder. Okay, it is asking drag the base on the grid, then pull out for height. I want interactive creation. When I click on the cylinder, I want the cylinder to be here. So tell me what I have to do for that. Okay,
Drag the cylinder.
so you have to go to create.
Sorry, you're still muted.
Okay, what I have done is, okay, from create polygon primitive, I have just turned off interactive creation so that when I click here, automatically I'm getting a cylinder. Now, cylinder, let's observe the cylinder here. Cylinders are having caps. I don't want cap. So what I'll do, subdivision cap, I make it 0. I don't want cap. Then I want few mesh over here. That is the reason I'm adding few height, somewhere around 5. 5 is enough. Okay. Then I'll come over here. So I press, so 4, so that it is in wireframe mode, but it is very difficult for me to look into this mesh and do. So that's the reason what I'll do. I select this particular reference. Alpha gain, I'll give 0.7. Yeah, it's fine. Or 0.6. Okay, I can look. Okay. See, now I can, when I select, I can see this, right? We can
So,
see this.
Yes.
Okay. So now, first thing, okay, before that, cap, you have to delete the cap. Delete the cap, delete the cap. Means you need to select the face and delete the cap. Okay.
yes, sir.
Mhm.
Okay. So I have deleted the face. How I deleted? Just right click, select the face of both the sides and delete. That's it. Make sure you're not deleting any other faces apart from that. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So now, okay, selection. How do I select? Right click, just select the edge, double click the edge. See, the entire edge is selecting. Observe again. Just right click, select the edge, double click, entire edge loop will select that particular loop. See, it will select. Now double click over here, this particular loop is selecting. Now what I'll do, I need to scale this. I need to scale this globally and I have to match it over here as per the reference. Okay, I'll double click this, I'll bring it over here and I have to rotate this in such a way that how my mesh is there now, how the reference is there, like that only I have to place. Again, double click. So I place it here and I scale it something like this so that it will match the reference. Make sure you are matching to the reference image. That's it. Okay. If you match it properly, the model will look really good. This again, it's something like this. Double click. Okay. Okay. Got it. Understood how I did this.
Mhm.
Now let's see how does this looks. This is the output which I got it. Okay. Now select this. Okay. Go to edit mesh, extrude. After extruding, bring it over here, place it over here like this. Okay, which is the tool to repeat last tool? Which is, what is the
G.
shortcut?
Sure.
G. The key G. So again, last tool which we have taken is extrude. It is repeating. I'm pressing G. It is extruding, and you have to scale it like this. I'm placing it over here like this again. So actually, modeling is very interesting. You just have to keep doing like this. Okay. See, we have done an output like this.
Yes, sir.
So as per the anatomy, you have to keep adding this, do the detailing. Okay. So now the next step is this one. Double click. Okay, this one again shortcut. Shift right click, extrude. You can extrude this over here. So after this, go to vertex mode, place properly to the reference. It should be something like this. The mesh flow, this is called mesh flow. It should build as per the reference image. See here and all like this is done. No? You have to build like this. This particular reference should go like this. This all should be like this. Okay. So after this again, I double click this, enter edges selected. Okay, here also is there. Observe this properly and do. Okay. Then after this double click. So extrude. It should come like this over here. Okay. Then again double click over here, extrude. So it's like this. It should come like this. Again extrude. It's like this. So it should be something like this. Again I extrude. It's somewhere like this. Again I extrude. It's something like this. So here, okay, I'll place the vertex and all properly here. This one, I extrude this again. It's over here. Then I am making it like this. Again I extrude. It's like this. Okay. Now see, it looks something like this. Okay. So anyhow, we need to work on this. So what I'll do, double click this like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, I have given a shape like this. Then after this, select one edge, select any one edge, any one edge. I need to fill hole. There is a hole. I need to here make hole is there. If I make hole. So compared to earlier versions and this version, a lot of changes has happened. I don't want to make hole. I want to fill hole. There are multiple other options. Are the other way to fill that particular surface? It's quite simple. Extrude. Something like this. It is there, or yeah, let it be something like this. Anyhow, we will work on this. After this, okay, I'll show you another option. Okay, select vertex. So I'm selecting this vertex and this vertex. Both vertex has been selected. See this vertex and this vertex. I want to merge this. I want to merge vertex, merge to center. Same way, merge to center. Merge to center. Same way, I'm merging, selecting these two. Merge to center. This and this, merge to center. Okay, you may get confusion, but you want to merge this. That's it. Okay, that's the option. And after that, edge. It's not insert edge loop. Okay. Edit edge flow. Okay, guys, I got this one. There's another option that fill hole is over here. It was like this right earlier. Just select one edge. Shift right click, fill hole. Shift right click, fill hole. The hole is filled. This is what I wanted. Okay. Then
Yes.
select edges, move, collapse edges. Insert edge loop, slide, edge tool. Edit edge flow, spin edge. Slide edge target weld. So these are the things, like there are so many options from other earlier version to this version they have removed. So that's the thing. Okay, and they have rearranged. So there is an option from here to here we can connect individually. Okay. It's bevel edge, flip, crease to lock certain slide. So I have to go to edge mode. In edge mode, add divisions to edge. Let's not add divisions. Okay, let me just come up with this option now. Now let it be like that. So I'm just placing this over here. Make sure you know these are placed like this. Okay, it's like this. Okay, it's like this. I'll keep this like this. Then after that, this is over here. This comes over here. This is over here. This is here. Okay, let it be like this. This is here. This is here. This is here. This you have to place it here. This you have to place it here. Now after this, I'll select this face. And I'm selecting this face. I'm selecting this face. I'm selecting this face. I'll delete this. And I'm selecting this face. I need to select this face and I'll delete this. It's like this. This is like this. It's like this. Then after this, double click on this so that entire edge is selecting. Extrude this smaller, get inside like this. Again extrude, make it smaller, inside like this. Again extrude, get inside like this, smaller. Again extrude, you need to place this inside like this, and I'm keeping it like this. In a mouth part, we have to create. That's the reason, I'm just placing it like this. Okay, almost done. Now I'll come over here. This is what I'm getting an output like this. Okay. So mouth part and all we need to add. That's okay. We will do that. Okay. So after this,
Yes.
there is a lot of detailing we need to do. I will add one more edge loop. Where is this edge loop? Mesh tools, insert edge loop. One I'll add here and like this. Then after that, I'll select these. Okay. Okay. I'll select, drag and select this. And this will be from inside like this. Similarly, this should be like this. Similarly, like this. Okay, so after this, I need to select these edges, bring it outside like this. See, okay, need to work on this. I'll select the vertex. Okay, I'll select this. I'll select this like this. So I need to make it something like this. After this, I'm selecting this particular part. Okay, I'll place it over here. I'm just placing things over here like this. So I'm selecting this like this. Then after this, I'll select this 4 face and I extrude this. It's over here like this. You place it over here. As per the eye reference, you need to place things like this. Okay.